Okay, well, this time here we have a handler function which it takes an event type as a string and it's printing to the console the same event type passing in here, and here we calling the handler function here with couple of events like on click, on key down, on key up. And we can also add just one more, like for example on enter and so on. The problem with this event type as a string is that we are not enforcing the event type. Let's say we always have the event type as on something, on something, on something, on something, and so on. As you can see, right now we're not enforcing, and if we call an event like escape key and clicker, of course, it is not failing right now because we don't enforcing the event type properly here. Because we want to enforce the prefix on in front of all the strings, so we can replace here the string with template literals on dollar sign and the string. And you will see clicker and escape key are failing because they don't have the prefix we define in the function here. But if I add on in the beginning of the word, then this is also passing now. We can also enforce specific keys here inside the template literals type. For example, I can replace this with click and key down. Now you see here only the on click and on key down are passing, but the rest of the events are failing. And if I replace this again with a string, all these with on the prefix are passing.